Hey guys, Aaron here. Welcome back to the channel. I got the Ferrari F430 here again today, and we're gonna work on the top a little bit. I'm gonna have to replace the fabric roof eventually. That's gonna be another video. This video, there's some hydraulics that lift it, and there is a fluid reservoir that holds the hydraulic fluid for that. So I'm gonna go over how to get to it and check on the level of it. I'm gonna learn along with you guys, never done it before. This is the magical fluid. I just got it from ECS Tuning. That's the only place that I could find that actually sells this stuff. AW Italia is where I usually go for my parts. Did not see it there. I'll put a link to this in the description in case you need some. I honestly have no idea if I need some or not, but I wanted to buy it, have it on hand in case I got into it and found out that I needed some. I have read that you want to have the top in the down position to check the level, and the little canister that holds it is supposedly right behind this panel right here behind the passenger seat in the US. Oh man, these Daytona seats are beautiful. Still getting used to owning a Ferrari. All right, so we're just gonna put these down, and we have this panel back here that we have to figure out how to remove. Maybe it just pops straight out. Yep, feel like it's coming out. It's this whole piece that the seatbelt comes through is part of it. All right, release it from the trim and just gently work it out. Now mine seems to have some custom speakery thing down here that looks pretty cool, actually. I don't think that is stock, but it is interfering a little bit with my panel. Just run my hand down here and pull it out from the door trim. And now it is nice and loose. We'll just slide out. All right, very nice. Now back here we can see this giant tank with all of these hydraulic lines coming out. That's what feed all of the different hydraulic actuators that operate the top. Plenty of room just to set this here. If you do want to disconnect it, if you're playing at home, it looks like there are just 2 bolts holding that little piece on that you can remove and give yourself some more access. So I've seen pictures of this online in the forum, but I've never seen a video of it. People have talked about how to remove this tank for filling it up, but no videos yet. Trying to see if there's any leaks down here. Looks a little oily, but nothing much. So according to the pictures, there is a 10 millimeter right here that has to be removed from the bottom of it. Then you remove this bracket down here, which has 1 bolt there, 2 bolts on this side of the bracket, 1 there, 1 underneath here to remove that bottom bracket. Way up here at the top, there are 2 more bolts, that one right there, this one right here, so you can remove the top bracket, and then that thing just kind of rotates right out. All right, so the fill screw is up over here somewhere hidden. I can't see it until we remove this whole thing. But right here, that little eyeball looking piece, let me see if I can zoom in and focus. So that thing is kind of supposed to be the sight glass. That little dot in the middle is where the fluid level is supposed to be when the top is open. My fluid level looks like it's filled almost all the way to the top of this thing. So whoever filled it did not know how to measure it, it looks like. And it is overfilled right now. It's supposed to be a self-bleeding system to get all the air out of the system. I don't know what happens if it is overfilled though. If you guys want to shoot some comments down below to let people know, please do. Fun fact, while we're back here behind the passenger seat, there's this little cut in the carpet. So I just looked to see what this was about, and it looks like you got your VIN back here as well. As always, guys, please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Follow along on more Ferrari F430 videos.